Hello, my friends. Today we are going to read a book about nature. Here is the book. Look around. What do you see? I see a mountains and a green trees. Look at what we have. The beauty of nature is everywhere. You only have to look to see it. See the beautiful sunrise. Happy little clouds float around and have fun all day in the sky. Look, there is a blue sky and white clouds. Some mountains are so tall that the snow on top never melts, even in the bright sunshine. See the mountains, they are covered with snow. There is a lake flowing around here. Look, we have green trees. We should spend some time walking around the woods and talking to trees. There is nothing wrong with having a tree as a friend. Do you have a tree as a friend? I do have. Squirrels make their homes in the trees. Other animals live in bushes and shrubs. See, there are small animals living here. Fish lives in the water, in the rivers and ponds. And through some rivers are wild. You see some wild rivers here? Water can be lazy too. Sometimes water needs to take some rest. When you feel lazy, take a nap in shady spot by the river. Just go and sit behind the river and relax. But not on the rocks. They are too slippery and hard. See, these rocks are slippery. You may fall into the river. When your day is done and the moon is out, try painting the clouds, mountain, trees, bushes, shrubs, water, rocks. You saw. There are so many things in the nature to admire. Each one of us sees nature differently, and that's the way you should paint it, just the way you see it. Yeah. Bye-bye, friends.